Here's FaceAI app video AI face change. Interesting app. Replace the face in any video. With FaceAI app, you can simply swap the faces in any video. It's so fun and entertaining with FaceAI highly advanced AI. FaceAI app can synchronize the mouse movement to match the new face, making it appear as though you're speaking with someone else's face. And here it is. So let's just try to install it. Easy swap, create yours, share and go viral. So here is the app. You can just open it up, and yeah, it offers you 2 upgrades. There is a lifetime subscription, which is quite cheap. And yeah, so the idea is that you can just create your face and use this face in a lot of different meme videos, GIF videos, TikTok trending videos, and it's quite a good app. So super easy to do that. Yeah, and then this app gives you 3 free credits in the top right. Unfortunately, you can't use these 3 free credits until you upgrade. So that's basically what it is. And then you can, for example, just choose a photo, your photo or some template, and try to select a clip. And this is how the creation process looks like. But again, unfortunately, you need to upgrade. So yeah, if you put more likes below this video, leave some comments, I will upgrade and I will create a video of upgraded app for you to know whether it's worth upgrading or not, whether the quality is good enough or not. So yeah, that's what it is.